Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add extension in Google Chrome Android version. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First, I would like to say Google Chrome Android version does not come with extension feature. So follow this step to add the extension. First, you need to open your Chrome browser in your mobile phone. Then you can see there is a three lines in the top right corner. Just tap on it. Okay, there are no options called extensions in the settings also. There is no option for extensions. Okay, what you have to do is just close this one and go to your Play Store and search this Yandex, Yandex, and hit enter. You can see the first option, Yandex browser with protect. Just tap on it and install. I've already installed that one, so I need to open that one. Just tap on open. Okay, this is the Yandex browser. This is a special browser with a feature of at Google Chrome extension. Let's see how you can do that. First, go to the address bar and search for Chrome Web Store and tap on search. You can see the first option, Chrome Web Store, chromewebstore.google.com. Just tap on it. Now it will be redirect you to Chrome Web Store. Okay, now click on extensions. You can see, scroll down a little bit, all the extensions you can see available for the Google Chrome browser. And if you have specific extension, you can search for that one. And as an example, I like to search for IDM, and yeah, then search for that one. Okay, there are a lot of options here. The one of the IDM one is I installed already. For this tutorial I am going to install another one. I like to this one, share grip. Just tap on it and the option appeared called add to Chrome. Tap on it. Now it is asked for add share grip to your browser. Tap on add extension. Now it is adding. It will take small time for add the extension to your browser. It depends on your internet connection. Okay, now it is added. You can see it is added because it is changed to remove from Chrome. Now you can see the added extension using this method. Just go to three lines in top right corner, just tap on it and tap on setting here. In the left side menu there is option called extensions. Tap on it and tap on extension catalog, the first option. It will open the extension catalog. Scroll down a little bit. You can see this is the one we installed here. This is the one I installed previously, and you can install the other ones from here like that. So yeah, this is how you can install the Google Chrome extension in your Android phone. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Thank you.